Hello everyone, in this video we're going to be discussing moving the course online. So here I'm at our UIW Blackboard page. You should have received an email from me. It looks like this. It goes over a lot of the information that you'll need. I don't know why the text has changed like this, but if you click this link here, it shows you a registration video on how to register for McGraw-Hill's Connect. This is the unique link that you will have to go to in order to register for the course. So it'll take you to this page. You'll enter your UIW email here. It'll show you, okay, it's me. This is me who you're completing it with. And then also it will ask you for an access code. And this here, right here, highlighted in yellow, that's the access code that you need to use. Okay. So I have also uploaded on our Blackboard page under Syllabus and Outline the revised course outline for the remainder of the semester. So this is what it looks like when you open it up. You can see what you will be needing to do every week. So you'll see that there's sometimes 2 days, the 23rd or the 24th here, 25 or 26. That's because I teach one Monday, Wednesday, and one Tuesday, Thursday class, okay? So one might be from a Monday, one might be from a Tuesday. So what I really want you guys to make sure you're doing is signing up for Connect, watching the Connect tutorial videos, also watching Zoom tutorial videos, and basically Zoom you'll see here on our page. See. So if we're here on our Blackboard page, you go down to course tools, you'll see here Zoom. This is what you'll be using to meet with me if you need to speak with me about something related to the course, like office hours, something like that. Okay, so if you go through, you'll see that each day you'll have different activities to complete. So for the 23rd or the 24th, depending on if it's a Monday or Monday, Wednesday, Tuesday, Thursday class, what I expect and what I want students to do is, okay, on Monday, you need to study the vocab on this page, read the grammar on these pages, practice these activities, okay? And then you'll do the same thing the following day. So by the next day, you'll be expected to go through these other activities. And then your homework for that week will be to complete the Connect activities and the grammar exercises. Okay, and you'll be doing that on Connect. And they're always going to be due Sunday at 11:59 p.m., except for the last chapter because the semester ends on Friday, May 1st. So that's why we have to do, we have a different for that day. So a lot of this is going to be self-paced. You're going to be having to go through this information on your own. If you're having issues or you have trouble, contact me, okay? So you can see you have different activities to complete and homework to complete at the end of each week, okay? Towards the end of the semester, I'll let you guys know how we plan on doing the oral and the written exams, but do plan on completing those by the end. I have updated your grades for the midterm. So let me show you how to use Connect. Okay, I do have two different classes. One is a Tuesday, Thursday class. One is a Monday, Wednesday class. But basically you'll go in here to Connect and you'll see that you have different videos due, or I'm sorry, different homework due at each time. So if you look at the Connect orientation videos, you'll see that you have this video. This is what I want you to complete. Okay, we're starting with chapter 10. So then you'll see that you have different activities due at different times. For example, by the 29th, you have these activities from chapter 10. You know, these activities as well, prepositions and pronouns. So this will take the place, of the in-class work and also the book activities. So you won't be completing them in the workbook anymore. You'll be completing them through here, Connect. Okay, so make sure that you are, let me see if it shows me a student view. This might be better so that I can see what you see when you log in. Okay, so this will show you, okay, the orientation video is here. This is what I want you to watch. For chapter 10, you have the following due. And it tells you the dates, March 29th, March 29th, March 29th, March 29th, etc. So you need to do all those activities by the 29th at midnight, okay? And make sure that this is also in Central time, right? So this is San Antonio time. If you had to return somewhere else and it's in a different time zone, make sure you're completing it by that time because it won't let you complete it after the due date. And then it also tells you April 5th what you have due, okay? Chapter 11, the same thing. It goes through and shows you what you have to get completed. The same for chapter 12, okay? If I put any additional practice or lectures here, I will let you guys know through email. You can access the book as well through here, though I do believe you guys have the book already. So you should be able to, let me see, access the book. Okay, it should show up. Here it is. The book is here. And then that's where you're able to go through different pages. Okay? This is the same thing that I've been using in class before. So right now we're going to be in chapter 10. So it shows you page by page the entire book, or you might have the book already with you at home. So you'll have access to it that way. If you do have any questions, please reach out to me. Let me know. If you need access to a computer, for example, you can check one out from UIW, okay? So I hope that you guys are all staying safe. If you have any issues, reach out to me. Let me know what's going on. Update me on your life, okay?